Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. Today's recipe is Sauteed Ivy Gourd. In Kannada, thondekai palya. I'll just show you how to cut this. Just cut the tips. Make an incision till the center, a little more towards the end. On one direction, on the opposite direction, make another slit. So it will be like this. A simple filling for this: salt to taste and the chili powder to taste. This is the rasam powder which I am taking. Give a nice mix. One pinch on this side, one pinch on the other side. Now this is ready to take it for sauteing. Now in the pan, little oil, mustard, some curry leaves, and the stuffed ivy. Stirring in between. Reduce the temperature, close the lid, cook for 15 minutes. After mixing in between, this is completely done. Now we can turn off the flame. This is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.